If your tiller engine is hard to start, here are the top 3 most probable causes. Due to carbon buildup and a weakened electrode, the spark plug will degrade over time, which could result in the tiller engine having trouble starting. You should inspect the spark plug for damage or wear. You can also use an ignition tester to help determine if the spark plug is defective. As a general guideline, we recommend replacing the spark plug once a year. The residue that results from old fuel being left in the tank can create a restriction in the carburetor. This is why you should always use fresh fuel when filling the tank, and a fuel stabilizer to help maintain the quality of the fuel. For better stability, you can use a pre-mixed fuel and oil product that is ethanol-free. You can try cleaning the carburetor with carburetor cleaner to eliminate the clog. If cleaning is not effective, you can often purchase a carburetor repair kit to replace some of the components, or install a new carburetor altogether. To allow air into the tank, fuel caps will have small vent holes. If the holes are blocked, the tiller engine may not start. You can replace the fuel cap with a new one to solve this problem. All of the parts shown in this video are available on our website. Be sure to enter the full model number of your product to find the specific replacement part that will fix your tiller.